The 98, monitor 133.3, pass line that dash 8, right to left out of the pad. 33.3 behind the dash 8, Delta at 98. Ground 1832.76, that goes here. AC 3272 Denver ground with information. Sierra, do you have numbers for 17 right? Yes, we do. AC 3272 straight ahead 17 right, monitor 133.3. Let him know when you're in. Right straight ahead for 17 right, 32. Ground break air 4873, 5 Echo there. Brickyard 4873, Denver ground, check transponder on, runway 17 right, straight ahead. 17 right, straight ahead, transponders on, all cycle 4873. Thank you.
Should I push this?
Motorski 3393, monitor tower 133.3, have a nice. Thank you. United 1604, monitor tower 133.3, solo. 33.3, United 1604. Brickyard 4873, monitor tower 133.3, solo.
Switch over.
Get a little bit closer.
Brickyard 4873.
Ground breakout maintenance, 508 Navy X-ray approaching 7 info for Delta-Sierra 14.
Brickyard maintenance, Denver ramp, taxi Charlie November to your spot.
Charlie November to parking. Breakout maintenance, 508 Navy X-ray.
Southwest 287 taxi. Southwest 287 standard taxi east. Have a good day. As you turn out, you'll see a Q400. He'll be pulling in the Delta-Sierra passing us after. All right, standard east, and we'll watch out for Southwest 287.